Hi everybody, I am Ramakatoju. This is our channel Need Botany in 20 minutes. Today I have to discuss about the genetic material is DNA. It was proved by the experiment that was given by the Martha Chase and Alfred Hershey. Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. In 1952, they had conducted the experiment for the knowing of DNA, means to tell about DNA is the genetic material. They did the experiment by the virus and bacteria, by the using of virus and bacteria. The virus which attacks on bacteria is called bacteriophage. Bacteriophage. And also has taken Escherichia coli, E. coli. Escherichia coli. Here bacteriophage, it attacks on the bacteria. The virus, bacteriophage means it is virus. Virus which attacks on the bacteria is called bacteriophage. To know about this experiment, first we should know about the replication of virus. In replication of virus, what they do means here, the virus is attacks on bacteria, sit on the bacteria by these tail fibers and make the hole, and they push the genetic material into the bacteria, and this genetic material is handed over the complete material of bacteria, and finally forms the many small viruses called viroids. Okay, these all viroids will be comes out by the breaking of bacterial wall. These are comes out by this replication. 50 to 200 bacteriophages will be comes out. Okay. Here it is about the bacteriophage replication. By this replication process, here Hershey and Chase was need to identify which is the genetic material, either protein or DNA, which is the genetic material. For this question, they are grown this bacteriophage in two types. In one dish, they are grown bacteriophages in radioactive sulfur. In this radioactive sulfur. I am drawing here two dishes. In one dish, it is radioactive sulfur. Another one, it is radioactive phosphorus. Phosphorus. Okay. The radioactive sulfur, it is 35F. Radioactive phosphorus is 32P. Okay. What will happen means the radioactive sulfur, it enters into the structure of protein. Radioactive phosphorus, it enters into the structure of nucleic acid, DNA. Okay, means when they entered, that part will be appears very brightly. Okay, radioactive sulfur for protein. It is for nucleic acid. Again, when they are grown these two bacteriophages, means bacteriophages, some bacteriophages grown in radioactive sulfur, some grown in radioactive phosphorus. The bacteriophages which grown in radioactive sulfur, the protein coat becomes radioactive, means bright in color like this. In here, nucleic acid is not changed. In the bacteriophage which grown in a radioactive phosphorus, protein is normal in color and the nucleic acid becomes bright. Okay. Now for these two types of bacteriophages, they are used in E. coli. For this here they are taken 2 E. coli bacteriums and placed these bacteriophages, separate different bacteriophages on them. First they are placed radioactive sulfur bacteriophage, which has grown radioactive sulfur. That bacteriophage is placed on the, it may be A bacterium, E. coli, and another one is B. E. coli. Means here in radioactive sulfur, the bacteriophage which is grown in radioactive sulfur, it has a bright color protein coat. The bacteriophage which are growing radioactive phosphorus, here bright color is nucleic acid. Again, after some time he was observed that here the bright color part is appears in B. Okay. So here the bright color part is appears in B, which are means here the bacteriophage is grown in a radioactive phosphorus. Radioactive phosphorus. By this experiment, he was identified that here the bacteriophage is introduced the genetic material into bacteria. So here the material which is enter into bacteria, that is the genetic material. So here in a first experiment in a bacteria E. coli A, it has no bright colored part in bacteria, but in B here bright colored part is present. Means here the bright colored part is present in B, means your bacteriophage is grown in radioactive phosphorus. So the radioactive part will be enter into B. So here the radioactive part should be phosphorylated, that is nucleic acid, means DNA. It was confirmed by this experiment. Okay, it is about the Hershey and Chase experiment. It is for how to identify, means how to identify the genetic material. Genetic material is DNA. Okay.